Okay, I'm in Zoom and I'm recording myself with Canva because I got asked this question. How do you create a poll in Zoom? First of all, there's a bunch of prerequisites, and I'll drop the URL for the Zoom support document so you can find that information. One of the prerequisites, I'm pretty sure, is you have to have a licensed version, which means you're paying at least the bare minimum for Zoom to be able to do this. Otherwise, you can't create polls. Secondly, is you can create the poll in the Zoom meeting while you're in Zoom, or you can create the poll in zoom.us in a web browser by logging into your account before the meeting starts. And that actually can prepare you for using the poll when you get in the meeting. I'm going to show you how to do it in the Zoom meeting, and then I'll show you how to do it from zoom.us. So I'm in my Zoom meeting, and you can see if it's not right here, polls and quizzes, right to the bottom of the screen, then it's going to be under the three dots, and you're going to see polls right here. So if I squeeze this down, let's see what happens. Yeah, see, polls went away, and it's under the three dots, polls and quizzes. Okay, so Zoom gives me, in my account, setting up your own account and attendees. Now, I created this one called Pick My New Book Title. I put that one in there myself. Now, I've already done it, so I can't use it, but I could use the three dots and I could duplicate it if I want to. Or I can go up here on this little plus right here and I can say create a new one. And I can give it a name, whatever name you want to give it. You know, pick my movie title. And then I can come down here and I can edit this initial question, and I can say whatever I want to say. I could put, there's some very unique options here for polling types. You know, I have single choice, multiple choice, matching, rank order, which is rows and column, kind of a setting, pretty neat. Short answer, long answer, fill in the blank. And then there's a rating scale. I haven't played with any of these, so I can't tell you all of the options here. But I'm going to pick my movie title, and I'm going to say it is Travel the World with Teddy. And I'm going to change that to single choice. I like it. I don't like it. Now, I can do required, show as drop down, create it and create breakout rooms around that. I can put a picture on it. What happens if I put a picture on it? Let's go get a picture. I'm going to hit open. Just a weird picture to put in there. And then I'm going to add a question. And then the second book is The World According to Teddy. And then I'm going to say, I like it. I don't like it. And I'm not going to put a picture. Do a third question. Teddy travels the world. I like it. I don't like it. And I can do another one if I want to, but I'm going to hit save. What's the three dots? I can, this is preview, so I can take a look at what it's going to look like. There's the little picture that's going to show up. And then I can go back to create, and let's save this. So I just created a poll. I create a poll while I'm in a meeting, and while I'm in the meeting, I can launch the poll if I want to. One snafu about polls that I'm going to go look and see if I can find an answer to is I do not think the host is allowed to participate in the poll. Might be a problem. May not. But anyway, I just create a poll while I'm in Zoom, and the poll is ready to launch. Now, from zoom.us, and you can see there's the poll that I just created right there, and it has 3 questions and there are no responses. Now, but I can hit the create button right here and I can create another poll right here. A survey or a poll, and I have not evaluated the differences between survey. Through a shared link, a poll is use a poll or quiz connected to my meeting to do create. This is untitled poll number 1. This is choose my memoir title. And then I edit this. Teddy and everyone else. And then I can change this right here to this is a great title. This is not so great of a title. And I can add another question. Teddy in North Carolina. And I can change this to this is a great title. This is not so great of a title. And I can go on and on and on. Let's see, can I add images here? That's interesting. Oh, there it is. There's the add the image, which under the three dots, duplicate or delete. I can change the options from, again, single, multiple, matching, ranking, short answer, etc., etc. And I can go on and on and on, or I can hit save. And now I have two surveys that are both set up as polls, not as quizzes, in my Zoom account for use in my Zoom meeting. Let's see, I'm still in Zoom. I create a poll from zoom.us. Let's go look at polls. Check it out. That new poll I just added, choose my memoir title, it pulled it out of zoom.us even though I'm still in my Zoom meeting. So create your poll or your quiz from your Zoom meeting. Create your poll or your quiz from zoom.us before you start your meeting. Again, I do not believe there is a way for the host to participate in the polls or the quizzes. I'm Teddy. I love using Zoom. I hope this is helpful for you.